Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Traditionally, December is a time for us to look back at the year behind us and review what's happened before we got to this point. I always think of December as an opportunity to look ahead and see what's coming up in the year before us. So I sat down and asked the Galactics what I needed to know about the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024. And this is what they said to me. In this month, you will find yourself standing between two doors. The one before you opens into the new frequencies of 2024, and the one behind will take you back into the frequencies of 2019. That date surprised me. One door leads to a repeat of the fear and chaos leading into 2020 and all that entails, while the other provides the opportunity to connect deeper within self, the higher realms, and the core of Gaia. It is a choice every individual makes. The choice is being offered now because humanity is on the precipice of shifting into a higher octave of consciousness. Consciousness shifts are never random or made without a free will choice. That surprised me too. Remember, even unconscious choices arise from a free will pattern put in place by an individual. Every person has choice points throughout their day. Shall I get angry or be loving? Do I connect with my spirit or not today? Choice points occur in families and social circles, in communities and countries, and indeed in humanity as a whole. The choice point that every individual faces at this time is to go back or to go forward. This is not unusual. Choice points happen all through life. The choice this month is unique in that the choice is whether or not to take a leap in consciousness or cycle back for another round of fear, divisiveness, and duality learning while remaining in a lower frequency. We can say that in the vast majority, choices have been and are being made to shift into a higher octave and expand consciousness. I thought that was good news. The choice for those who desire it will result in an alignment with the expansion into the new earth and 5D energies with Gaia, who has already chosen this for herself. It is always preferable to flow with positive change than to resist, but that is also a choice that some will make. For those electing to revisit 2019 and move through the following year's experiences to once again arrive at this doorway, we will wish them well, knowing that they are always loved and supported on their path by their soul and loving guardians. They are learning and expanding at their own pace, and we are not to judge if their pace is not what we would wish for them. We welcome those walking through the door in front of them and wish you to know that you are also loved and supported on this glorious journey into the higher frequencies of 2024. Your consciousness will expand as your frequency increases. Your gifts and abilities will expand as well, and opportunities to access cosmic ancestral knowledge will open up for you. Compassion for all living beings and self will also increase. As you choose to close the door to the past and step over the threshold of the door of opportunity ahead, our wish is for you to leave the past with wisdom and peace. We are here waiting to embrace you with love, light, and joy. Come, play with us in this new year and the new earth. We will see you on the other side. Well, that's the last message for 2023. I hope you've enjoyed the messages and that they've helped you. If they have, please like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. In the meantime, I wish you many, many blessings until I see you in 2024.